Today now, as I told you, we have 5 mock papers, right? In each mock paper, we have 2 different papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is usually easier questions. Paper 2, structured questions, a bit long. So now with you again, I will just practice paper 2, the first part, okay? And I'm hoping that this time you can solve more questions correctly. And after that, after we finish paper 1 in mock exam 2, then we will start solving paper 2 questions, because paper 2 questions is a little bit more not difficult but harder than paper 1. Okay, all right. And also in paper 2, sometimes we may need a calculator. If you have a calculator, you can keep it on your table. So are you ready? Do you have a piece of paper on your table?
Hello.
Yes.
Hi. Okay, very good. Sometimes I ask a question, try to answer my questions quickly. Okay, at least the idea, and also having idea is very important, right, in solving questions. Sometimes if you have no
Hi,
idea,
teacher.
we cannot do anything. So if you're ready, let's start. Okay, again, this is, as you see in the first page, mock examination 2. Mariam, what does mock examination mean?
I have no idea.
Leila, what do you think? What does mock examination mean?
I don't know.
Elmira, do you have any idea?
Maybe. Mm, no, I don't have any idea.
That's a difficult questions.
Nigar, how about you?
Something difficult or what?
No, no,
No,
no.
much more
Actually,
difficult.
mock means, at school, for example, sometimes people mock each
Um,
other to make fun of each other, right? To laugh at
yes, yes.
somebody, right? But here, mock examination means it looks like a real exam, but it's not a real exam. Okay. The mock exam means this. So it looks like a real exam, but actually it's not a real exam. Maybe the questions are exactly the same, exact copy of the real exam, but it is not real exam. Anyway, so guys, so actually we try to solve all the questions in 1 hour, because total time for booklet A and booklet B is only 1 hour. The user calculator is not allowed. That means that you have to do all the calculations mentally or manually, writing on the paper. Okay, now let's start. Mariam, let's start with you. Can you read the instruction first?
Okay. Question 1 to 10 carry 1 mark each. Questions 11 to 50 2 marks each. For each question, 4 options are given. One of them is the correct answer. Choose the correct answer and write its number in the bracket provided.
Okay, actually here it was given that 1, 2, 3, 4, but I changed this to A, B, C, D. Okay, write the correct answer, but here you'll just have to circle the right answer. Okay, so what is 30 tens, 36 ones, 25 tenths, and 35 thousandths in decimal? And we have already done this. Okay, one more time, let's do this. 30 tenths, that is 30 times 10, plus 36 ones, that is 36 times 1, and 25 tenths, that's 25 times 1 over. Okay, plus 35 times thousands, 1 over 1,000. Okay, what did you say? Which one?
The variant number C.
C. Okay, let's see. So this one is 30 times 10th 300 plus 36. It is 336, right? And the other part is decimal. 25 is divided by 10. It is 2.5. And 35 is divided by 1,000. It is 0.035. Now, if I just write here 336, and here we have 2.5, and here we have 0.035, right? So here we have 5, and here we have 3, 5.833. 338,535. So the correct answer is C. Okay. So now, Elmira, the second question is for you. Can you just do this mentally? What is the answer?
Yes, a minute.
A minute? A
It's
minute is too much.
variant B. It's variant B.
It is variant
Yes,
B.
B.
It's variant
How do we do that? 4 plus 11, it is
First,
15.
15.
So 150 is divided by 15.
One,
10.
150 divide the 15,
So 15.
the 10, and 10 multiple 5 is a 50.
Very good, very good. Now, if you can, everybody can do this, that's good news. What is the missing number in the box? Question 3. You have 1 minute. Everybody just do it and tell me the answer after 1 minute.
Mr. Qasim, I have got an answer.
Yes, Mariam, what's your answer?
It's point 16.
A, B, C, D, which one?
It's B.
B. Okay, Mariam, B. Anybody else?
I too, B.
B. Anybody
My
else?
variant
Any
is
different
B.
answer?
B.
Variant B. The correct variant is B.
It is B.
Okay, now let's see. So here, 15 times, okay. Here, instead of this box, I can write A. Okay, for now, let me just write box. And 2 over 5 is 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12, right? It's 12
12
over 5. Now this 15 is multiplied, so I can take this to the right hand side. It will be divided. So the square is equal to 12 over 5 is divided by 15, right? Or which is equal to 12 over 5 times 15. So that's equal to 12 is 3 times 4, and 5 times 3 times 5, right? So these three cancel each other. And if you multiply numerator by 4, it is 16.
4 hours
Denominator by 4, it is 100, which is equal to 0.16. So the right answer is B. Okay. How about question B? Jane had 6 coins as follows: $1 coin, 50-cent coin, 20-cent coin, and 10-cent coin, 10-cent coin, and 5-cent coin, right? If she gave 4 coins to her sister, which of the following is not, right? Not the amount given to her sister.
The variant A. I don't know. Our ID.
Any answer?
I think it is
The
D.
variant A. It's the variant A.
İlkin A. Nigar D.
I think it is D.
D. Any different answer?
A.
Huh?
But I'm A. But I don't
Okay.
think my
Guys,
answer is
here,
D.
Nigar is correct. Actually, Nigar's answer is D. Okay. Wow. For example, 90, right? I can just put here, for example, 50 20, it is 70, right? And 10, 10. So I can just actually, for 90, 50 cents plus 20 plus 10 plus 10. I can form like this so that I'm giving it to your sister. How about 170? I can write it, for example, here, $1, right? Plus
50,
50 cents and
20, and 5.
20 and 5, right? And also 180, you can do that. But 35, that is the smallest amount. Even if you just pick the smallest coins here, right? The smallest ones are this. So that is 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 45. Even if you just give the smallest amount coins to your sister, actually their value is 45 cents. So using any 4 coins from these coins, we cannot make $0.35. So D actually, what is the question? Which of the following is not the amount given to her sister? So this 0.35 is the amount that cannot be formed by using any 4 coins from these coins. Okay, all right, good. Next question. It is a little bit tricky question. Usually in SASMO, you will see this type of questions. Okay, logic. All right, question 5, 1 minute. Start now.
Because it's a variant B. I think it's a variant B.
Teacher,
Ilkin,
the answer.
Ilkin, why are you saying I think? So you are not sure?
It's a variant B. I'm sure.
Variant B. Okay, Ilkin
Not
says
B. It's a D. D.
D.
D, I think it's D.
Another D. Any different answer?
I think it's, I'm sure it's D2.
D. The figure below shows some identical means exactly the same, right? Exact copy of something. Identical cars, identical toys, identical balls, identical objects. Anyway, exactly the same. So the side of each cube is 2 centimeters. Find the volume of the figure. So if actually it is 2 centimeters, we know that the volume of one small cube is 2 times 2 times 2. That's equal to 8. Now, how many cubes do we have here? Here we have 1, 2,
You
3,
have got 9 cubes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have 9 cubes, right? 9 cubes here. So the volume of one cube is 8. So that's equal to 72 cm cube. So the correct answer is D. Very good. Now I see some improvements. Very good. Let's continue. Guys, can you read it and do it? Okay. Write your answer in the chat box to me. Don't say anything. Okay. Privately send it to me. You know how to send it, right? You have 1 minute. Start now.
I think this is a variant B.
You can write your answer to the chat box. Don't say anything. 1 second left. Time is up. Okay. Anybody? But I didn't get any answer. Okay, Nigar, not everybody. Yeah? Can you send just to me, direct message? Okay. All right. Anybody else? Leila, how about you?
Y and B.
Okay. B. All right, let's see. It says that Mr. Theo's salary, when rounded off to the nearest $100, is $8,000, right? And it says that nearest $100. Okay. So which of the following amount is his possible salary? How do we do that? We should just round off this nearest to the $100, and we will see. And nearest to $100 means the last two digits, right, should be rounded off to zero. That is 7900. That's not the answer. How about this one? These two numbers, 01 is less than 50, so it is 8100. Okay, and the 8100 also, it's a wrong answer. And how about this one? Here, this is 80. 80 is greater than 49. So the answer is 8100. Also, that's a wrong answer. And how about this one? Here, the last two is 45. 45 is less than 50. So we just drop this, and the answer is 8,000. So the correct answer is D. Whose answer is D? Mariam, B. Leila, B. Rauf, B. Elmira, B. Sarah, B. Everybody, B. None of the answers is correct. Nigar, did you understand?
Yes, I understood this.
But did you understand your mistake?
Yes, I
Mariam, how about you?
Yes, I understood my mistake.
Yeah, guys, you should not make this kind of mistake. A very simple question. It is just four answers. So it says that rounded off to the nearest $100. Round off these numbers nearest to the $100 quickly. It's just four numbers, right? And after the compare, which one is 8,000? So among these numbers, if you round off $8,045, right? 45 is less than 50. And usually, how do you round off this? Here we have this number. So here we have 8,000, right? And here we have 8,100, right? And here we have 8,050, but our number is here, somewhere here, 8,045. It is closer to 8,000, right? And rounded off to the nearest $100 means that we are counting everything in $100. All right, let's continue. Question 7. Okay, have a look, read it, and try to solve this. You have 1.5 minutes, 1.5 minutes.
This video is not
Okay, write your answer in the chat box.
9, 2, 3, 9.
10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, 0. Any answer? Leila, Nigar, Ilkin, Mariam. Who else do we have here? Anybody? Mariam, Rauf, Elmira, Sarah. Oh, Sarah, you're also here. No
I don't
answer?
know as well. I don't know as well.
B.
No, don't guess. Are you sure it is B? And why? Okay, guys, let's talk together. Look, the figure is not drawn to scale. ABDE is a rhombus. Elmira, can you give me a definition of rhombus? What is a rhombus?
A rhombus, it means like
Rhombus is
it's
a special
two sides.
quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, right? Now, if I add one more condition, all sides are equal and the interior angles are equal, then it becomes a square. But if only sides are equal, then it's called rhombus, right? It's like diamond shape. So this one is rhombus. All sides are equal. And also opposite angles are equal. This angle equals this angle. And this angle, right, is equal to this opposite angle, right? And also this, if I say this one is alpha, this one is beta, then alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So using this information now, these are the properties of, or angle properties of a rhombus. Okay, it is 35, right? And since A, B, C, A, B, D, E is rhombus, that means that also this side and this side and this side, they are all equal, right? AB equals BD equals DE equals AE. Okay, so that means that if this angle is alpha, and also this angle should be alpha, right? And also if it is 35, also this angle, it should be 35 because it is symmetric, right? And also this angle is 35, and also this angle is 35. Anyway, what is the question? AB equals BC, find BDC. What is BDC? BDC is this. So let's say we need to find this one. Let me just denote this by X. As you see here, BC equals BD, right? And how about this angle? And also it should be X. Okay, now, Sarah, let me ask you this question and change my color. What is a measure of this angle, Sarah? Angle DBC or CBD. Can you see this angle? What is a measure of this angle?
Um,
Anybody can answer question. What is
Can
the
I say
measure
please?
of angle B? Huh?
Can I say please?
Yes, Mariam?
It's 35 degrees, but I'm not sure.
No, no, no. It is 70. You know why? Because look at the triangle ADB, right? It is something like this. Here we have triangle like this. Okay, let me draw this. If this angle is alpha, this angle is beta, and this exterior angle is alpha plus beta, right? Why? Because this angle is, it is 180 minus alpha plus beta, right? Anyway, from here it's equal to 70 because this angle is 35. This angle is 35. If it is 35, what is this angle? It should be 110 degrees because 110 plus 35 plus 35 equals 180, right? The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Right, Ilkin, do you agree with me? I hope so. So that's why it is 70. Now using that, the sum of the interior angles of any triangle. Here, if you look at this triangle, CBD or BCD, one angle is X, the second angle is X, the third angle is 70. So here we have X plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So what number plus 70? 180. So actually here
so
X plus X is
X
2X.
plus X,
I see.
one, 2X.
180 minus 70, right? 2 times X
A.
equals
Where is
100.
A?
50,
The one
A.
55.
Very good. So the right answer is 55.
A.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Guys, let's solve 3 more questions. After them, you may have break for 2 minutes. Okay, let's continue. Next question. You have 2 minutes to answer this question. It's a little bit longer question. You should understand first. Okay, you can start now. 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see. Let's wait for others, Ilkin. 43 seconds left. Sarah also. All right. Time is up. Anybody else? So 3 students answered. Mariam C, Ilkin C, Rauf C. Okay. Guys, again, how do we solve this question? One more answer. Who is he? Nigar C. Okay, let's see. So it says that let's use green for this question. The ratio of the number of erasers to the number of pencils, right, is 4:3. Let me just write it mathematically. E to P is equal to 4:3. You can just with this, erasers to pencils. And the number of rulers is 3/5 of the number of erasers. 3/5 of the number of erasers. Now, last time, actually, we did this kind of question, right? R is 3/5 of E. What does it mean? That means that the ratio of R to E is equal to 3:5, right? So what is the question? What is the ratio of number of rulers to the number of pencils? So we need to find that thing, R to P, right? That's the question. Now from here, E to P and R to E, right? So I need to somehow eliminate E from this other ratio. That's our first step. Second step, I can just change their places, right? And also I will change their places because E to P 4:3 means P to E 3:4. So from here, P to E is 3:4. From the second one, R to, actually also I will change this one. Actually, P-E-E-R. All right, change this one. So from here, E to R is equal to 5:3. Look at this E, it is 4, 5, right? So the first one, if you multiply by, what is it? 5. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. The second one, multiply by 4. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 3, it is 12, right? So the BBs are the same. Now I can write a single ratio. P to E to R is equal to 15 to 20 to 12. Now from here, what is the ratio of R to P? This one is R to P, right? That is 12 to 15. So R to P is 12 to 15, or 12 over 15, that's equal to 3 times 4, 3 times 5. The answer is 4 to 5. So the correct answer is C. Okay, these three students, your answers are correct. Okay, Elmira, any questions?
No.
All right. Guys, if you have any question, if you don't understand any step,
No.
just stop and we can discuss more. Next question. You have 3 minutes to this question. Okay. Read it well. Okay. And after that, solve it and tell me the answer. Time starts now. İlkin, Nigar, or İlkin. Sara. Okay, İlkin, your answer is correct. Sara, your answer is correct. Rauf, your answer is correct. How about the others?
Second, can I say?
4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, let's discuss together. Very good. İlkin, Sara, Rauf, your answers are correct. Correct answer is C. So look at the chart below. Some people took part in a survey on their favorite sports. What fraction of the people chose others as their favorite sport? What fraction, right? So now actually we should just actually express everything in terms of fractions, or what is the first percentage, then we can change this to a fraction. Now, number one, this one is 45%, right? And this one is 20%. Now, let me just change this one into percentage, right? Since actually this one is represented by 108 degrees, right? We know that the round angle is 360 degrees. How can I change 108 into percentage? This one is 108 out of what? Out of 360. And multiply this by 100%, which is equal to these two things cancel each other. And 108, right? 108 is divided by 36, that's equal to 3. And 3 times 10, that's equal to 30%, right? So now here we have 20% jogging plus swimming 45%, right? And badminton, that is 30%. What is it? It
95%.
is 95%. That
And
means that
we
this
100%
others
minus
only 5%,
95%.
right? So 5% means 5 times 1 over 100, which is equal to 1 over 20. Ilkin, did you solve like this, or how did you solve it?
I no, I do. How can I say? I do this. I do this question um, to. I I can't say.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. Well, let's continue. Mariam, did you understand the solution?
Yes.
How much did you understand? 5% or 95%?
95%.
So can you express 95% as a fraction?
It's 1 over 12.
Is 1?
20. 1 over 20.
1 over 20 or 19 over 20?
90 over 20.
19 over 20, right? 5% is 1 over 20.
Yes. Yes.
Good. All right. Let's continue. All right. Can you do this question? 2 minutes for this question. Try. Okay, give it a try, then we will discuss together. In this way, you can learn better.
B.
B. Okay. All right. Another answer. B. Rauf. D.
A.
Answer is D.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Let's see. Question 10. The answer is Rauf. Can you tell me how did you get D?
At first, I plus 2 over 5 and 1 over 3. Hello?
Okay, guys, why?
Yes.
Actually, very simple question. Ralph's answer is correct. The answer is D. Why? It says that Mandy used 2/5 or 2 over 5 meters of a ribbon to tie a present. The first one, right? It is 2 over 5. The second one is 1 over 3 meter longer to tie another one. So next one is something like this. So it is, this one is 2 over 5 and longer by how much? 1 over 3. How much ribbon did she use to tie all the presents? It is 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3 altogether. So it's 2 over 5, 2 over 5, that is 4 over 5 plus 1 over 3. And common denominator is 15, right? Multiply this one by 3, this one by 5. 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 1, 5. So that is 17 over 15 meters. Nigar, why you couldn't solve this?
Because I did only 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3.
Because it says that she used 1 over 3 meter longer to tie another present, right?
Okay, I
And if
understood.
there's no longer here, that answer would be correct, Nigar. And it says longer, that means that we have second piece which is longer than the first piece. By how much? By 1/3 meter. Okay, very good, very good. Continue. Okay, you have 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Okay. 35 seconds left. Answer B, B, B, B, B. Rauf B, Sarah B, Nigar B, but I'm not sure. Ilkin said, okay. Guys, it is not correct. Elmira, are you sure it is D?
Yes.
How did he get it?
Um, if we will multiply it 4 to 1.5, we will get 6. Then if we will 4 multiplied by 2.5, we will get 10. So if we will plus them, we will get 16. Then 23.5, we will minus 16. We will get 7.5 dollars. So, and if we will divide it to 2.5, we will get 3, and it's right for this.
Okay.
And
Elmira, let's do like this. Guys, I'll show you two different ways. Okay, one is just numerical way. Second one is algebraic way. And numerical method means just guess and trial method. In math, we call this guess and trial method. Means first guess a number and try it. It works or not. If it doesn't work, guess another number. Guess another number. But actually, when you just solve this using algebra, you will get the exact answer directly. So suppose that we are talking about two fruit, right? Here, number one, pineapple. Second one is orange. So let me just write here. Let me make a table. Here we have pineapple, and here we have orange, right? And here it says that, okay, pineapple 250. Let me just write here 2.50. Orange is 1.50. Okay, dollars. Milton bought 3 more pineapples than orange. What does it mean? If you just make some table, if he bought actually 1 pineapple, right? 3 more pineapple than orange. Sorry, we should start with orange. If he bought 1 orange, then he bought 3 more, that is 4 pineapples. If it is 2, this one is 5. If it is 3, this one is 6. If this one is 4, this one is 7, and continues. What is the question? How many oranges did he buy? If you just check the first one, 4 pineapples, 4 times 250, right? Plus 1 orange, 1 times 150. That's equal to, what is it? 11.50. Now, actually, he paid 23.50. So that cannot be the answer. And how about the second one? 5 times 2.50 plus 2 times 1.50. If you calculate this, this one is 12.50. This one is 3, so that is 15.50. But actually, if you just check this, for example, here, 7 times 2.50 plus 4 times 1.50. And 7 times 2.50, 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times half, 3.5, that is 17.50. Plus 4 times 50, that's equal to $6. And if you add this, that is equal to $23.50. So that means that he, actually who? Milton bought 7 pineapples and the 4 oranges. In the question is asking orange, so that's why the answer is D. Okay, that's the first method. The second method, how do you solve this? Suppose that number of oranges is, okay, n. He bought n oranges. Then what will be the number of pineapples? Nigar, can you answer the question? If she actually, Melton bought n oranges and he bought 3 more pineapples than oranges, how many
Is
pineapples did he buy?
3n?
No.
No.
N plus 3.
Oh, n plus 3, yes.
Right? Because if n equals 1, p equals 4. N equals 2. If I say 3 times, at that time, 3 times n. But since 3 more, it is plus, right? So
Okay.
what is the unit price of orange? It is 1.50. And unit price of, what is it? Pineapple, 2.50. So that means that what is the total cost? 1.5 n plus 2.5. How many pineapples? N plus 3 pineapples. And total is 23.50. And the last zeros after the decimal point in the equation, you don't have to write. Now from here, 1.5 and remove the bracket, 2.5 times n, 2.5 n plus 2.5 times 3, it is 7.5. On the right hand side, here we have 23.5. What is 1.5 n plus 2.5 n? That's equal to 4n, right? We are just adding. Equals, take 7.5 to the right hand side, 23.5 minus 7.5. Now 4 times n is equal to, what is 23.5 minus 7.5? 0.5, 0.5 gone. 23 minus 7, that's equal to 16. And 4 times what number is 16? So n is equal to 4. What is n?
Divide the 4.
Number of oranges. Okay, so the right answer is 4. That is the second method, algebraic method. And I wish, guys, if you could solve using the second method. If you understand the second method, you can solve any question very fast and very easily. Now we'll practice more. All right, guys, let's try. I hope everybody solved this question correctly. You have 3 minutes. Try it. It's a very easy question. Sarah, is it difficult or easy for you? Very easy question.
So this is
Huh? In January, 220 and February, 443. Now you sold less cakes in February, right? Find the percentage decrease. How do you find this? This one is 220 minus 143. That's the difference out of what? Because originally we had this many cakes. Well, we sold this many cakes. We are comparing to the original number. So here we have 220 and just multiplies it by 100%, right? So that is equal to 220 minus 143. It is 5777. 77 over 220. And here we have 100% times. So this 0, it is gone, right? Equals, what is 77? I can write it as 7 times 11 times, here we have 10. Over, here we have 2 times 11. Now I have here percentage. Okay, I just write 10 here because multiply. So this two things gone. And 7 times 10 is 70 over 2. That is 35%. So the right answer is the percentage decrease was 35%. İlkin D. İlkin D. Sara D. Okay, good. Guys, let's do one more question. After that, we will finish the class, okay? And I really want you to practice if you have time. I know you're so busy, but if you don't practice, we will go very slow. The last question, okay, for today. You have 2 minutes, okay? And after that, we will discuss and then finish today's class. I mean, 3 minutes. Okay, there's an answer here. Okay. Nigar D, Rauf D, İlkin, I'm not sure. I'm sure or I'm not sure?
I'm
İlkin,
sure.
you are sure. Okay. D,
I'm sure too.
13.
I'm sure too. I'm sure too.
So you are sure it is D, İlkin?
Yes.
I'm
Huh?
not sure
You're not
I'm
sure.
sure this is D.
how he
I'm
can
sure.
pass 4,050
Nigar D,
kilometers
İlkin
in
D,
45
Elmira
minutes.
C. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, the
I'm
correct
not
answer
sure.
is,
That's B.
yes, Nigar.
Yes. If we have he started driving at 8:15 a.m. and reached his office at 9 a.m. So he drove for 45 minutes, yes.
Yes.
And we know that his speed is 90 kilometers hour. So to find the distance between his house and his office, we multiply time, yes, for speed. So we multiply 90 for 45.
But
And
Nigar, actually, that's why, but Elmira answered this
But
question
we
correctly.
multiply 19 and 45.
I'm
No,
not
no, no.
sure, but
Here, look, the speed is given in kilometers per hour. Before you multiply, you have to convert this unit into hour.
no.
As you see, this one is hour. Also, this should be in hour. Otherwise, you cannot cancel them.
Maybe in my
So,
hour.
Yeah, first we have to
20
change this into hour. It is so 45 over 60. By 15 it is 3. By 15 it is 4. So actually he reached his office in 3 over 4 hours. That is 45 minutes. Now after that you can multiply the distance equals speed times time. So actually this units must be the same. Maybe this kilometer, right? I mean per hour. Also this must be an hour. So now what is the speed? It is 94, which is equal to by 2, right? This 270 over 4. That's equal to 67.5 kilometers. So the correct answer is C. Other,
Now said the
look here,
warranty.
right? Speed, for example, that is speed is 90, right? Kilometer per hour. Time is your time is 45 minutes. How can you can change this hour and this one is minute? You cannot simplify this, right? That's why actually this units must be the same so that we can cancel them out. Okay. Okay, guys, that much is enough. I will just save it and drop this again in WhatsApp. All right. If you have time, try to practice this. We will continue practicing this kind of questions. I hope you will get more and more experience. Okay. So, Sarah, when is our next class? Is it next Monday or Tuesday?
Yes.
Monday.
Monday. On Monday.
Good.
Monday.
Then I will see you on Monday. Okay. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
For your,
Bye.
thank you for your
Thank you.
lesson.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.